Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi. In this video, I am going to tell you about a very important philosophy, that is Sankhya Philosophy. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Learn with Shuchi. So, what is Sankhya Philosophy? Sankhya Philosophy is one of the oldest philosophies of India, as its references are found in Shruti, Smriti, Ramayana, Mahabharata and other ancient literary creations. These references make it quite evident how old and extensive this philosophy has been. Sankhya Philosophy has been propounded by Kapil Muni. Kapil Muni has been honored as incarnation of Lord Vishnu, son of Kardam and Deohuti, psychic progeny of Lord Brahma and incarnation of Agni. Word Sankhya represents Sankhya, which is a Hindi word, and English meaning of this Sankhya is number. Scholars have interpreted Sankhya in two ways. First as number and the second as knowledge. When we are talking about the meaning of Sankhya as number, Sankhya is concerned with the number of elements, and these number of elements are 25. And again, when we talking about the meaning of Sankhya as knowledge, the other meaning of Sankhya is divine knowledge. This divine knowledge pertains to the knowledge of body and soul, or matter and spirit. Now, let's know some features of Sankhya philosophy. Means, what are the some important things we have to learn about Sankhya philosophy? Sankhya philosophy is not theistic, means it does not recognize the existence of God in the creation of the universe, because the existence of God cannot be proved. Epistemologically, Sankhya philosophy is realistic. Metaphysically, it is dualistic. That is, whole universe is made up of two elements. These two elements are spirit and matter. Spirit is also known as Purush and matter is also known as prakriti. Both spirit and matter are infinite and external. The matter or prakriti has three attributes, so it is known as Trigunatmika. These three attributes are Sat, Raj and Tam. According to the Sankhya philosophy, the main aim of a person's life is to free oneself from the three kinds of miseries. Sankhya believes in the universality of suffering, which is of three kinds. First is Adhyatmika. This is related with spiritual part. Through the realization of the real truth, one can attain freedom from bondage. Second one is Abhibhautika, which represents the physical world and miseries related to that physical world. And the third and last one is Adhidevika, which represents the supernatural miseries caused by wicked souls. These three, Adhyatmika, Adhibhautika and Adhidevika, can be understood as axiology of Sankhya philosophy. Now, beliefs of Sankhya philosophy. For creation, union of spirit and matter is necessary. Sankhya philosophy tries to explain prakriti, purush, bondage, and salvation. Prakriti or matter is eternal. When the light of purush is reflected upon prakriti, that is matter, intellect is born. Consequently, the prakriti begins to consider itself as conscious and the unattached purush begins to feel attached. This imaginary and imposed relation between prakriti and purush is called bondage. To break this bondage and to recognize the separate existence of prakriti is known as salvation, that is moksha. There are three basic elements in Sankhya philosophy: Vyakta, Avyakta and Gyeya. The Gyeya is called conscious or the spirit. The Avyakta is matter or prakriti. And the Vyakta is the consequence of activity and cause of tradition. These all can be easily understood by this flowchart. When prakriti and purush join with each other after birth of a child, generation of mahat, that is intellect, occurs. This intellect causes ahankar, that is ego. When this ahankar is related with three attributes, it gives rise to 21 elements of Sankhya philosophy. In category of Sat, 5 sense organs, Man, that is heart, and 5 organs of action were included. In Raj, 5 Mahabhut, and in category of Tamas, 5 Tantra Mantras were included. 5 sense organs are eye, ear, skin, nose and tongue. 5 organs of actions are feet, hand, anus, mouth and genitals. 5 Mahabhut are earth, water, air, fire and sky. 5 Tantra Mantras are taste, smell, touch, sound and vision. These in total are is equal to 25. It is very important to know the principles of Sankhya philosophy. The first principle of Sankhya philosophy is Sadkaryavad. According to Sankhya philosophy, effect is not separated from cause. In fact, it is inherent or latent in cause. An effect resulting from cause means that the present action is the result of some latent or inherent cause. This principle is known as Sadkaryavad. Second principle of Sankhya philosophy is Gyan Prapti. As Sankhya is synonyms of knowledge, it is also called as a way to knowledge. So, it is prevailed as a Gyan Marg, that is path to knowledge. And the third principle of Sankhya philosophy is Kaivalya. When the bhog, that is attainment of desired things or miseries is complete, the physical body begins to decay and the sadhak, that is devotee, accomplishes salvation, and this salvation is known as Kaivalya. I have covered the basics of Sankhya philosophy in this video. If you want to know more about educational implications of Sankhya philosophy, then please watch my next video, which is on educational implications of Sankhya philosophy. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn with Suchi, and do not forget to press bell icon for latest update. Thank you for watching.